Hello my people, welcome to my channel today. So on today's video I will teach you how I make this wonderful bag. So the measurement I use here is a 21 by 7.5 inch. So it's 7, this side is 7 by 21, it does 7.5 inch, 21 by 7.5 inch, that is 7.5 inch is for this and this. So coming here I measured here to be 6 inch and the here to be 3 inch. This one is a 6 inch. So this one is the front side for the bag, this is the base, this is the back side, the flap and the upper cover then and the flap. So from here to here is a 6 inch, this one is 3, this one is 6 inch, and this one is 2 inch, this one is 4 inch. Coming here I measure 0.5 inch, that is 0.5 inch, 0.5 inch also. The same thing applies to this side. So I will go ahead and cut this side out. Just watch me. I want to make it to bend easier for me, so that's why I'm just using my scissors to make this line here. So this is how it will be. Can you see? It will be this way. So this is how it will be for the main body, the base, the flap and the other things on the back. It will be this way. So coming at this point, after cutting all these sides here this way, what I will do here now, this is the flap. I want to cut the flap then make it the shape I want it to be. So this is the shape that I want the flap to be, getting half inch, 1.5 inch here, and also getting the middle of this. So this is the middle of this one. So this is the middle. So from this place I will now draw a curve and join here. You see, so I'll draw the same curve and I'll also join here. So now I'll go ahead and cut it out from here. So covering it now, this is how it will be. It will be this way. So first of all, coming to the side of the bag, the measurements I used is 6.5 inch. The reason why I use 6.5 inch because I will be reducing this half inch here. So it's 6.5 inch by 4 inch. So the reason why I used 4 inch, let me show you something. Coming here, this is the base side of the bag, and the base side of the bag is straight. So the side of the bag, that the base is straight, so the side is supposed to be straight also. But because I will remove half inch here, I will remove half inch here, the remaining one will be now 3 inch. So from here I will also remove half inch coming down here. So that's why this one will be 4 inch by 6.5 inch, because I will still remove half inch from up here. So that's how this one will be. So what I will do now, I will go ahead and cut this. So this is how the side of the bag will look like. So the next thing I will do now is to go ahead and apply gum on it with the leather that I will use. This is the leather I will use, that MK leather, Michael Kors leather. So that's what I would use. So what I will do is to go ahead and cut the leather that I will use on this. So coming at this point, what I will do now is to go ahead and add gum on all these ones. So I'll apply gum on all of them. I'll also add gum on this one. So I'll go ahead and add it here now. So after that, I'll also add it this side, at the edges of the leather on this. So at this point, after folding it with the thick paper, after folding the leather with the thick paper, this is the outcome. So what I will do now So I have added gum also. So I'll add the lining or the leather that will be inside. That's the uh, inner leather, or I call it inner lining. So I'll add this here. Add it here. So after adding it, I'll go ahead, and cut all this side out. So after adding the inner lining this way, what I will do now is to hold this one this way here. I'll go ahead and sew it. So coming at this point, it will be the last stage. That will be the second stage for the bag for this one. So stay tuned for second step on those bag. That's the conclusion of those bags. So I've done the step one. So the next step will be on the part two of the video.